Hello everyone, welcome all to my kitchen. Today I am going to make ribbon cake. Before going to the video, I like to remind you, if you not subscribe my channel yet, subscribe and like, comment your ideas and share with your friends. Let's see the ingredients. 250 gram butter, 250 gram sugar, 250 gram bread flour, 4 eggs, vanilla essence, baking powder, milk and colors. Now I add 2 teaspoon baking powder into the bread flour. After that, mix flour with baking powder together and sieve about 3 times until well combine flour with baking powder. After combine bread flour and baking powder, keep it aside. Now take a bowl and add butter and sugar together. Now use an electronic hand mixer or stand mixer. Beat butter and white granulated sugar until well combined or until appear light yellow color. Scrape down sides of bowl using spatula. When appear light yellow color, start to add egg. Beat well after each addition of egg until creamy and beat about 1 to 2 minutes after adding each egg. Always before adding the egg, scrape down sides of bowl using spatula. During this time, preheat the oven to 350 degree of Fahrenheit or 175 degree of centigrade about 10 to 15 minutes. After finish adding egg, mix this creamy batter with flour. Just fold by spatula until combine well. After add bread flour into the batter, fold into the same direction. I beat this about few seconds to combine well. After beat few seconds, I add 2 tablespoon milk and 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. When add milk into the batter, then cake becomes soft and moist. After add vanilla essence and milk, again I beat few seconds. Here I have taken only 2 colors, therefore I am going to divide this batter into the 2 equal parts. If you take more than 2 colors, divide the batter into the equal parts how much you want. After divide the batter, add drop of colors separately and mix well. Now take a baking pan and put parchment paper or wax paper and slightly grease the pan with some butter. Now pour both batters into the prepared baking tray alternatively, or first pour one batter and other batter on the previous batter as you like. After pour batter into the baking tray, slightly tap the baking tray to remove air bubbles. Bake in the preheated oven 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, insert toothpick into the center of cake, and if it is come out clean, cake is ready. After cake is baked, take out from the oven and let it cool completely on cooling rack. Now our ribbon cake is ready. It's very delicious and very soft and moist. Now you can try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family members. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, click the like button and write your ideas in comment section and share this video with your friends. See you soon with new recipe, and have a nice day to you all.